Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And you know what? The other day, I was scrolling through old photos and it hit me. Why does my skin look brighter and more even in my travel pics than in my current selfies? Well, I think I know the answer to that. Lately, I've been juggling work deadlines and sleepless nights. And with Shadi season in full swing, I've been attending so many weddings. All the dancing in the barat under that scorching heat definitely took a toll on my skin. And the sun exposure left me with sunspots and dark spots. Trust me, the aftermath of that intense heat is real and my skin is definitely feeling it. But then I thought, let's switch things up a little bit this year and bring back that glow. That's when I discovered something truly exciting, the new Glycolic Bright Serum by L'Oreal Paris. It's been a total skincare game changer, guys, because it has helped me treat those dark spots and bring back my skin to life. This serum is honestly my new skincare BFF, and what makes it so unique? One word: Melisyl. Yes, it's the new ingredient everyone's raving about, and for good reasons. The new Glycolic Bright Serum not only treats dark spots but actually reduces all types of them, whether it's stubborn spots, age spots, sunspots, post-acne marks, or even those annoying hormonal ones. And the best part, it promises visible results in just 3 weeks of regular use. First impressions, the texture is so lightweight and non-sticky, it melts into the skin like a dream. Plus, the subtle pink hue of the serum gives it a unique touch. I have dry skin and this serum works beautifully for me. And guess what? It's clinically proven to work on all Indian skin types, whether you have dry, oily, sensitive or combination skin. Now let's dive into the powerhouse ingredients in this formula. First up, we have Melisyl, and as I mentioned earlier, this is the star ingredient and it's a breakthrough ingredient that's not only safe but also more effective than vitamin C when it comes to reducing dark spots. This serum also contains glycolic acid, known for its gentle exfoliation, helping to clear dead skin cells and reveal that radiant glow. And let's not forget niacinamide, my holy grail for calming and brightening the skin. The combination of these three powerful ingredients makes this serum stand out from others on the market, which typically rely only on vitamin C to do all the work. Now, I have used a lot of brightening products in the past, but this one truly stands out. And the reason why I have been focusing so much on Melisyl is because it works on all the layers of the skin to target even the most stubborn spots. And it's better than your regular brightening actives like vitamin C. In just 3 weeks, I have already noticed my skin looking brighter, more even tone, and those pesky dark spots fading. And yes, it's completely safe to use it twice a day, morning and evening. Just cleanse, apply the serum, and follow with a sunscreen if you're stepping out. Simple, right? So if you are dealing with dark spots or simply want that glowing, even toned skin, you need to try this new Glycolic Bright Serum by L'Oreal Paris. And there are so many exciting offers running on L'Oreal Paris skincare right now. So this is the best time to go check it out on the links mentioned in my description box and grab yours right now. Let me know how it works for you because I would love to hear your feedback. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more skincare secrets. See you guys in my next video. Bye.